Basta sila siya tabi.
Saan ba kayo your wait?
Sa mga katulap, ha ha ha
Always
ha.
there when you call.
Yung mga laki.
Yung mga laki, sige yung katawa. Beautiful girls pa, both versions, babae o glasses.
Kaniyo, pang YouTube ni.
Hi!
Ay, video.
Yo!
Murag white chick ba kanang?
Dito, dito! Ha? Nabilin din mo.
Tanong.
Dapat gapin ba kayo?
Less talk, more plans. Indot to do.
You try?
Indot to.
You try.
Shout out lang sa Facebook. Let's talk more.
You're in good hands with PLD.
Let's talk more plants versus zombies.
Ilang edit ang inyong mga moderator gikan man sa kwad.
Si Mike.
Si Mike.
Nagana og plastic.
Nagmura dito na mulit sa
Wasa ng mga plants kay more plants ko.
Naray si.
Let's talk di ako.
Naray.
Ang plans kinahanglan og tok.
Oh, kanay lapok na kayo.
Ay, gana, na-plant
Kuha na
niya.
good ng flower.
I'll go down.
Why speech she?
Hi, good morning to everyone. This is Shello. Welcome to, sorry. Welcome to the mountain. I don't know what kind of mountain is this. I'm going to plant. I'm going to plant. I don't know. A seedling. Here. How will we plant? This is the work instruction. First, you'll get the plant. You press. Squeeze it. Squeeze it.
Si hinaya kay Maden.
Oh, sorry.
Ilang best friend, watanabi.
That. Press like that,
Kal, apila kan.
and then
Apila kan ang
slowly
gloves.
Yeah, what are zombies?
remove the seedling covering. Do like that, okay? This is the work instruction. So this is the seedling. Slowly like that. You have to press slowly until the soil
Work standard, do it
is
using.
about to go out. Like that. Like that. Okay? And then have to press it.
Si Babot na sa deploy na ni.
So now we have the plant. We already removed the seedling covering. Then we have to dig. To dig using a shovel. Do like that. Dig a hole.
Nagwala sa sila Casey.
Come on. Just dig. Dig and dig. So now you can see. Oh, the soil is coming out. So we have to dig. Dig more. Alright. Now, everything that we have dig enough hole, then we have to put the plant down there. Do like that. Alright? And then cover the soil. Cover back the soil. That's how you do it. Okay? Do like that. And this seedling will grow, I don't know, maybe for more than 400 years or whatsoever. Then we have to go back again to check on this seedling to ensure that this one really grows. So we have to ensure that this one grows. Alright? So look at that. I have the seedling.